get a variety of things. We're either doing procedures, helping out the providers with that, whether it's injections or skin tag removals or things of that nature, or I draw blood, I get to take vitals and room people, color the departments and talk to people I sometimes get to see, sometimes don't, and set up appointments and things like that. How's the clinic day? I love everybody in this building. We do things for birthdays, we celebrate each other in every way we can. When someone gets an award, we surprise them with their desk decorated. Everybody here has a lot of fun with that kind of stuff. Everybody here is approachable, smiles on their face, you get a good morning from everybody. Whenever we help out a patient, stuff like that, and they're just super thankful. It's providers, it's me, it's the front desk, it's the schedulers. We all work together as a team to do it, and it's just a really humbling thing, you know, to be able to help somebody and get them what they need, get them taken care of. And what I really like about primary care is you get to see that follow-up, you know, so a week, a month, whatever we have them come back in for, you're like, hey, how you been doing from that? And they remember you. They're like, hey, thanks so much for doing this. And it just puts a smile on your face, makes you feel better. And what I like most about the Med Center is we have a lot of different areas that we can, as medical assistants, go into and help out with. You get quite a bit of variety in your workday, you know, wherever you're at.